Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without sugar. We'll explore the key ingredients and essential equipment needed for a delicious, guilt-free treat. This method focuses on using specific sugar substitutes to achieve that classic fluffy texture you love. Get ready to spin up some sweet, sugar-free fun right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think. The secret to sugar-free cotton candy lies in selecting the right substitute. Isomalt is generally the best choice due to its superior melting properties and texture. Other sweeteners often crystallize too quickly, preventing proper spinning in the machine. You'll also need a few drops of food coloring and your favorite flavorings to make it truly special and appealing. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you're making treats or just for everyday convenience. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your ingredients are ready, thoroughly preheat your cotton candy machine for several minutes. Carefully add the prepared isomalt mixture into the center spinning head. As it melts and spins, delicate, wispy strands will begin to form around the bowl. Gently collect these fluffy threads onto a paper cone, creating your delightful sugar-free treat. Enjoy every sweet bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.